Writing a strong problem statement. Dr. Sands here. Writing a strong problem statement is key to any project's success. It clarifies your focus, aligns your team's efforts, and ensures everyone is moving in the same direction. Whether you're working on research, business strategies, or daily problem solving, clearly defining the problem will enhance your outcomes. In this video, you'll learn how to craft a concise and powerful problem statement step by step. Identify the issue. Begin by clearly defining the specific issue. Avoid generalizations or vague descriptions. Instead of saying low sales, specify clearly, such as, sales dropped by 10% last month compared to the previous month. Precise descriptions remove ambiguity and align team members quickly on what needs attention. Explain significance. Next, clearly describe why this issue matters. Highlight how this problem directly impacts operations, profits, customer satisfaction, employee morale, or your competitive advantage. For instance, declining sales might jeopardize profitability, restrict growth opportunities, or affect employee bonuses, demonstrating clearly why immediate attention is required. Consequences. Then, articulate potential outcomes if the issue remains unresolved. Being explicit about these consequences helps create urgency. Continuing with our example, ongoing sales declines could result in severe budget cuts, layoffs, or loss of market position, stressing the critical importance of timely solutions. Desired outcome. Finally, define your target clearly and succinctly. For example, our goal is to increase sales by 15% within 3 months. Clearly defined objectives serve as a roadmap and motivate your team to prioritize tasks effectively and measure progress accurately. Conclusion. To summarize, an effective problem statement includes 1. Specific issue identification. 2. Explanation of significance. 3. Potential consequences if unresolved. 4. Clearly defined goals. Following these steps will empower you to communicate problems effectively and achieve your desired outcomes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you next time.